Yeah, there's like dead in this tree. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Poor animal. Say hello. Say hello.
Bruh.
But it's actually dead, y'all.
Like, can you see it?
It's huge. It's like actually not good.
It's like
Dead.
that's so
Like
weird.
actually, like, the branch is through its head. See that?
But the branch ends there.
Oh, it
Actually,
actually
don't snake.
Yeah, it does.
No, it is dead. The branch ends there, so it probably died and then stuck its head in the branch.
Oh, dang. That's so sad. Okay, wait. Why is my thing zoomed in? It's actually so hot out. Poor birds. Well, I need to go plug in my phone.